Hello, welcome to the Apex Networks training for the PTS system. This is part of our online training program developed by Apex Networks to assist you in getting the very most from your software. This short video will cover crew member. We recommend you play this video on a separate device from that you are setting your system up on. This will allow you to pause, rewind and keep pace of your progress without having to switch screens. For PTS, there are two categories that your staff will fall under. The first is system user. This will be people that need to log on to a desktop version of Apex PTS. This is usually people such as controllers or administration staff. The next is crew member. You will need to have your member of staff set up as a crew member before you can allocate them to a PTS job. You can find the tutorial for setting up a system user in the tutorial System Users, along with the Profiles and Permissions tutorial, which you will find useful. To set up a crew member profile, go to the menu button and select Settings, then on the top line of the Settings menu, System Parameters. Click on the crew member icon. This will open the Manage Crew Members window. At the bottom right hand of the window, you will see a button marked New Crew Member. Click on this to open a new crew member template. Here you will see two sections. The first, Main Details, concerns crew member name, address, etc. The second is marked Crew Member Details. In the Main Details section, most of this information is self-explanatory, but in the Status field, you have the option of Active or Deleted for if the crew member no longer works for you. Below this, there is their job title, followed by their base location. This is only applicable if your company runs multiple bases, but if they do, please remember that each base is a cost center, so for accurate reporting, ensure that the crew member is assigned to the correct base. There is a field at the bottom of this section to enter their portal and clocking PIN. This will give the worker access to their own employee portal and login access to their or the vehicle PDA. There is also a section to add a photograph of the worker here. In the section marked Crew Member Details, you will see the field is marked Buddy. This is the name or number that you know this crew member as. For instance, your crew member's name could be David Brown, but within your company he may be known as Dave B. The buddy name or number can be anything that you want. Below this is a field marked Preferred Vehicle. If your crew member is usually in the same vehicle all the time, this can be put here, and the system will auto-populate when they are assigned to a job, but note that this can be changed if you need to in the job. The crew member status is the next field down and indicates whether this crew member is active, or if they no longer drive for you, they can be archived. Any additional notes can be entered here. There is also a tick box if you wish this crew member to access the event portal. If you have a member of staff who is already in the system as a system user, when you enter their name, you should see this pop up telling you that they already have this person's details in the system and you can confirm that they are the same person. This is because as soon as you enter a staff member as either a user or crew member, your PTS system will have already created their file in the HR section, whether you have access to the HR section or not.